Hello fourth graders. Now get your class book, Bright Ideas 4, and open page 20. We will talk about today adjectives. These are all adjectives. Cheap, expensive, realistic, easy, difficult, exciting, boring, old-fashioned, modern, educational. Okay, which words can we use to describe computer games? Okay, we can use these words, adjectives. For example, this game is cheap, or it's an expensive game, or it's a realistic game, or it's an easy game. You can describe games like this with adjectives. Okay. Listen, point and repeat.
Listening 25. Listen, point and repeat. 1. Cheap. 2. Expensive. 3. Realistic. 4. Easy. 5. Difficult. 6. Exciting. 7. Boring. 8. Old-fashioned. 9. Modern. 10. Educational.
Okay, use the words to describe computer games you know. For example, the football game is realistic, or this game is realistic, or it's a realistic game. You can say maybe what is the name? I don't remember the game. And you can say it's an expensive game. Maybe PlayStation. The PlayStation is an exciting game. And also Candy Crush is a modern game, and math game is an educational game. Whatever you say, we told about last week already. Okay, we will listen and sing.
Listening 26. Listen and sing.
There are different games with different names. Difficult and easy, they aren't all the same. Some are expensive and some are free, but I love card games. Card games are for me. A card game's more exciting than a sports game. A card game's more exciting than a board game. A card game's more exciting than a maze game. It's the most exciting game. There are different games with different names. Modern and old-fashioned, they aren't all the same. Some are educational, some are 3D, but I love card games. Card games are for me. A card game's more exciting than a sports game. A card game's more exciting than a board game. A card game's more exciting than a maze game. It's the most exciting game.
Okay, where are the adjectives? Okay, different games, and expensive, more exciting, and educational. These are all adjectives, also modern and old-fashioned. adjectives. Okay, ask and answer.
Listening 27. Ask and answer.
What's your favourite game?
It's Penguin Island.
Why?
Because it's exciting.
We told about this. What's your favorite game? It's Penguin Island. Why? Because it's exciting. You know why? Because question and answer form. What's your favorite game? Blah blah blah. Why? Because it's exciting. It's modern. It's educational. It's maybe difficult. You can say whatever you want. Okay. We told about comparatives and superlatives. Okay, listen, read, and look at the picture.
Listening 28. Listen, read, and look at the picture.
Look, this is my new game. Wow, Football 10.
Is it very different from Football 9?
Yes, it's more difficult than Football 9. It's more modern than Football 9 too.
What are the graphics like?
They're amazing. It's more realistic than my other football games. It's the most realistic game I've got. Do you want to play it with me?
Yes, please.
Okay, now we will compare with two things. For example, Football 10 and Football 9. We will compare them. Okay, look at the sentence. It's more difficult than Football 9, and also it's more modern than Football 9 too. Okay, we will make comparative sentence more adjective and then more difficult than, more beautiful than, more exciting than. Put between more and than adjective. And also more realistic than my other football games. And also we have superlatives. This is the most realistic. The most realistic, the top one. We told about this, and we will continue. Listen and follow. Make true sentence about games you know.
Listening 29. Listen and follow.
Football 10 is more difficult than Penguin Island.
Penguin Island is more educational than Football 10.
Football 10 is the most difficult game.
Penguin Island is the most exciting game.
Okay, look at the sentence. Pay attention. They are comparing Football 10 and Penguin Island. These are games. Okay, Football 10 is more old-fashioned than Penguin Island. That's it. And also, Football 10 is more exciting than Penguin Island. And the superlative, Penguin Island the most difficult game, and Penguin Island is the most educational game, the top one. And look, listen and read.
Listening 30. Look, listen and read.
Castle Maze is the easiest.
True.
Football 10 is cheaper than Supercar.
False. Football 10 is more expensive than Supercar.
Castle Maze is the most boring.
True.
Okay, look at this: old-fashioned, exciting, difficult, educational. These are adjectives, but these have 1, 2, 3, 4 syllables, and also 2 more syllables. We have to write more blah blah than. If we have 2 or more syllables, we have to write more exciting than, more beautiful than. What about this? And cheap. Cheap is only one syllable. Only one syllable. That's why we have to put end of the word er. We can make comparative like this: cheaper. Cheap is adjective, cheaper comparative. Look at the sentence: football 10 is cheaper than supercar. And also look at this: we can make superlative with the most difficult, but look at the adjective. They have two more syllables, and that's why it must be the most difficult, the most educational. What about this? Easy. You know, easy adjective. We have to make easy as superlative with easiest. We have to at end of the word iest, because the word has y, and y is going and I is coming. Easiest, that's it. Castle Maze is the easiest. And also look at this: Castle Maze is the most boring. Okay, we use the most. It depends on syllabus. Okay, we will continue next week. See you. Goodbye.